Hi, my name is Joe Partridge from justscoof.com. Today we're going to make a coffee shop latte style drink using cafetiere coffee. Normally you'd have it with an espresso, but with a cafetiere gives you a strong coffee, but it's not quite an espresso coffee which is made under pressure. So let's make the cafetiere coffee. There's my cafetiere, here's my coffee, and I'm going to do 1 scoop, 2, 3, 4, and because it's a latte and I like it strong, I'm going to do 5 scoops of coffee. That's down to you. Take the hot water, not quite boiling, just let it cool off. This has cooled a little bit. Pour the water in, try and get all of those grounds wet. And here we have my trusty Scoof, and I'm going to use that to stir, get all of those coffee grounds wet, get all of the flavour into the coffee. So that's once, twice, 3 times, that's all you need, and put that away, and then you just leave it, you just wait. And the great thing about that waiting time is you can get on with other things. That was the dog who's a bit bored of me, and I'm going to add some milk to this jug here, and I'm going to use a wand to froth up the milk. Move the cafetiere out of the way just momentarily, and here we go, let's froth up the milk. So essentially, in a coffee shop you'd get steamed milk, which is a steam rod going into the milk, heating it up, and you end up with a warm milk with a foam on top. This wand does a brilliant job at aerating the milk and creating a foamy top, and then you can just heat it up in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds, and hey presto, you've got your warm steamed milk. Now, coffee's been steeping for about 4 minutes, so we can plunge the coffee. There we go. Slow and steady all the way. And yep, what I'm looking for is a long milky drink, so I'll take about that much coffee, that's sort of an espresso sized amount of coffee. I'll pour that into the glass, and then we've got our hot milk, and it's just a question of getting it to the foamy consistency that we want. So I'm mixing in some of the fluffier foam, and that's nicely combined now. And this is the barista art, and if you look at later videos you'll see that I have achieved barista art status, but not this week. And you pour in your coffee and get a nice mixed in result. And here we have it. Cafe latte, cafetiere style, at home. Love that coffee.